It's not expensive to have naturally texturized hair. You've been lied to and robbed. Welcome back to a new scalp and hair care video. Wise of you to click on this video because this video will be an eye-opener, or should I say a scalp opener. Get it? Scalp opener, because the products I'll be mentioning to you will be open up your scalp pores to promote hair growth. You are a naturally texturized headed king or queen who's searching ways to budget and save money, all while embracing your beautiful curly to coily crown of hair. You are seeking to maximize healthier and stronger hair from the roots down to the tips. There is nothing wrong with budgeting. Never feel embarrassed to be on a budget and use coupons anywhere or everywhere you go. Do not, I repeat, do not be fooled by those who's constantly forcing you to buy a bunch of hair care products that are filled with nasty chemicals that will only cause harm to you in the long run, health-wise. I can only speak for myself, but as a naturally headed woman, being natural is not only embracing my coily, texturized hair, it's a lot deeper. For instance, I choose to feed my scalp and hair follicles with naturally created products that is both incredibly affordable and effective compared to the other products that you see on the shelves. Ever wonder how long these products can sit on the shelves without expiring? They contain toxic preservative chemicals which allow these products to prolong shelf life. And to be honest, the majority of them contains cancerous agents. FYI, most of these ingredients are banned in many countries. Read the ingredients at the back of these bottles and Google them big old words. Now, focusing on the natural scalp and hair products I've been using that has incredibly stimulated my scalp to rapidly boost hair growth in just 2 months. Here are a few of my highly recommended budget-friendly hair care products that has allowed my divine fro to grow healthier, stronger, and longer. We have here raw African shea butter, coconut oil, virgin and or refined. Check out my recent videos covering shea butter and coconut oils to learn more about the amazing benefits your scalp and hair can incredibly gain. Next, we have Rosemary Essential Oil. Rosemary oil contains rich properties to strengthen blood circulation. It also has anti-inflammatory properties. Beyond stimulating hair growth, rosemary essential oil is used to prevent premature graying, dandruff, and hair loss. It may also help dry or itchy scalp. Next is tea tree essential oil. Tea tree oil has powerful cleansing, antibacterial, and antimicrobial properties. It's an excellent oil for anyone who suffers dandruff, scalp psoriasis, head lice, and many other common hair problems. Tea tree essential oil can help unplug the scalp pores and increase hair growth. Next is peppermint essential oil. Peppermint oil is quite similar to rosemary oil. It improves blood circulation, which helps promoting stronger and healthier hair growth during the growing season. Peppermint oil leaves a refreshing, cold, tingling feeling to the area it's applied to. Very soothing and beneficial for the roots. Finally, we have turmeric essential oil. Turmeric oil is rich in antioxidants and has potent anti-inflammatory properties. The essential oil has an abundant antioxidants, anti-allergic, antibacterial, antimicrobial, antifungal properties, which works like a miracle on your scalp, skin, and hair follicles. A few drops of these essential oils added to your hair concoction remedies will help reducing to even eliminating common hair problems while promoting newer, stronger, and healthier hair strength. Perhaps in the near or later future, I'll drop videos covering more information per essential oil and how to properly use them. I highly recommend that you invest into quality, organically made essential oils from either Mountain Rose Herbs, Starwest Botanicals, or from your local holistic store. I've had my essential oil for over 2 years, so they do last pretty long and they've given me positive results. Now, there are additional use for scalp and hair care essentials, which I consider as a necessity investment because I found them useful to keep both my new growth hair and old growth hair happy and never neglected. Having a herbal shampoo conditioner is one of them, preferably a brand that contains ingredients that are natural and organically vegan, free from formaldehyde releasing agents, silicones, sulfates, mineral oil, LSS, parabens, and other toxic chemicals. Next is a shampoo scalp massager, an easy detangler brush, a head wrap towel, a satin silk bonnet, a Fluorosol spray bottle, and a pair of hair shears. You can find most of these essential items at Easy Detangler Brush website. Apply my discount code at checkout and save. If you have any additional questions or advice, please let me know down in the comment section or send me an email. I'm always open to learn more what my subscriber has to say or share in regards of hair care and much more. Until next time, peace.